All right, we're just gonna squash this now. Slammed up. I even tried to throw a wedge in there. Now you used to be seeing those landing. The landing's like that. Okay, so you just put that one in there. 120 amps. No thin in it. Nothing, right? It goes in there, guys. What it is you gotta learn how to pop that hole, learn how to ride that bead, that wave, baby. All right, guys, I love you, I do. So here we go. Hollywood magic. That's all factual. It's all real. It's sunk in there. That went in there good. It went in there slick. Look. It's in there, guys. It's in there all the way around. That side, that side, this side I just put in. Look, it's in there. We'll try to zoom in on it. There's my tack. There's that bead, 120 amps, tie-in. All right, I just pulled it off the wheel so we could look at it. That was that bead. I'll put in there all tight with that fit. It's in there, guys. So see, my buttons always go on the bottom. That was the part that was in the rollout wheel. Not the slickest. But, you know, here's the other side of it. The other bead on the outside of the rollout wheel that wasn't tucked in, the one that we weren't zooming in on. This was that one down there was the one we kept trying to zoom in on. Remember when we thought it was looking flat on the bottom? And I mean, it's not like I'm playing tricks on you. They all got to be good, guys. I can't throw crappy product out there. Nah, man. I mean, the client wants the best. That's why they come to me, guys. No, I'm not the best, but they know they're going to get good quality work, right? On everything. It's hard to... All right, it's a little rough in some tie-ins, but you know, for the most part, it's in there, and that's what matters, right? That it's in there. Well, that's in there. It's in there. That'll work. Love you guys. You have a good one.